Checkboxes are small boxes that you can click to select or deselect an answer. They are usually used for multiple choice questions where there are more than one answers. I am Hemant, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're going to explain how to create checkboxes in Google Sheets. There are two ways to use checkboxes in Google Sheets. The first is via the Insert option and the second is via heading to Data and Data Validation. Let's first head to the first option, that is the Insert. So select any cell where you want the tick box to appear. Now one thing is also to be noted that checkboxes are also called tick box. So you can see a tick box option, but it will act like a checkbox. So we are clear on this. Select the cell, then head to Insert. After that, select tick box from the drop down menu. And as you can see, a small square has appeared in the cell. This means that the tick box is now active. Now, if we want to insert tick box in multiple cells, just head to the corner at the bottom right of the cell and drag it downwards. And as you can see, all the cells that we have selected are now tick boxes. Another way to insert tick box in multiple cells is first by selecting multiple cells, then heading to Insert and then select tick box. The same thing happened over here. Now we'll head to the second option, which is Data Validation. So select a cell, head to Data, head to Data Validation. Now click on Add Rule. And below the criteria, select tick box. And as you can see, the tick box has appeared. You can also drag the cell, and you can see multiple tick boxes have appeared. The same thing you can try on Data Validation too. Just select all the cells where you want the tick box to appear, head to Data and then select Data Validation. First let's cancel it. Head to Data Validation. Now click on Add Rule. Under the criteria, select tick box, and as you can see, the tick boxes have appeared. Now to check the tick box, just click on it and it will be checked. To remove the tick box, remove the check, just click it again and the tick will be removed. To delete the check boxes, it's quite easy. Select a cell and then press delete from your keyboard. Or you can just select the entire range and press delete. Or delete the tick box from one cell, just drag it and all the tick boxes of the cell range will be deleted. And this is how you insert a checkbox or a tick box in Google Sheets. To create checkboxes or tick boxes on Google Sheets on your phone, open Google Sheets and then select a cell. For example, we have selected B9. After you have selected a cell, head to the three dots button at the top right of the screen and then select Data Validation. Now, the cell range is the one that we have selected, which is B9. If you want to insert the tick box in a range of cells, for example, let us say I want the tick box to be inserted till B19. So I'll write the cell range. You can insert any cell range, by the way. After that, head to criteria and then select checkbox. Now, after you are done with this, tap on Save. Now as you can see that the tick boxes are active on B9 till B19. To tick mark the box, just press once and it will be ticked. To remove the tick mark, just press again and it will be removed. Now to delete a tick marks from an individual cell, long press the cell and then select clear. To delete the tick box from multiple cells, just select the cell and then select all the cells by dragging the select down. Now long press the icon and then select clear. Now as you can see, all the tick boxes are gone. And that's how you insert and delete checkboxes or tick boxes on Google Sheets on your mobile phone. If you like this video, consider subscribing, press the bell icon, give us a thumbs up and tell us in the comments what are the videos you want us to make. To know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, and this is me, Hemant, signing off.